Hello, Kamato Class! Welcome back sa isa na namang pagtuklas ng aralin sa mathematics. This time, let us have a series of challenging algebra questions. Let's begin with the first one. If ax plus by is equal to 20ay and y is not equal to 0, then x over y plus b over a is equal to... Okay, so let's start answering the first algebra challenge. Again, the question is if ax plus by is equal to 20ay and y is not equal to 0, then x over y plus b over a is equal to what? So let us see the solution by solving the equation ax plus by is equal to 20ay. So what are we going to do? We need to remove this part of the equation, that ay. But how can we remove ay? By multiplying both sides of the equation by the reciprocal of ay. And what is the reciprocal of ay? It is 1 over ay. So we need to multiply both sides by 1 over 8y at this side, the left side, and at the right side, we need to multiply that also to 1 over ay. But instead of using this process, we can also apply another process, which is the easiest way. The simplest way, instead of multiplying both sides of the equation by 1 over ay, is to simply divide both sides of the equation by that, ay. So we are going to multiply both sides of the equation by ay. This one, we need to divide it by ay, this part by ay, and this part by ay. Then, cancel a and a here, same as y, and ay here. So what is the remaining part of the expression is of the equation, is x over y, this one, plus b over a, this one, which is equal to 20. And from that, we can now see that this is the same as this. So, yung hinahanap natin. And according to this, x over y plus b over a is equal to 20. Therefore, 20 is the value of x over y plus b over a. So I hope you learn. That's all, Kamato class. God bless.